focusing on creating the top plate on this battery, and one of the interesting components is filleting the top area. So as we're developing this, it's key to select the proper locations of the objects, and so we'll walk you through this basic operation here. So we begin by choosing the fillet command, and that's found under the features and fillet. And we're going to be filleting the 3D solid model as opposed to a sketch. And the idea is that we're going to be using a full round fillet, which means it's going to round the surface totally over. And to do that, we need to select three components: an inside, a top, and an outside. And so the easiest way for this to occur is by doing it with the selection tool. And we're going to select the inside surface and then the top surface. Those two are easy. At that point, if you hit your right or left button to rotate the object, and you can also hit the up and down arrow buttons, you can control the positioning of your object. And then we have to select the outside of the body. And I just did that all in the one area, and that's incorrect. So let's delete these and go back. So we got the inside face, the top face. We want it to be in number 2. So we select the second window, pick the top face, pick the third window, pick the outside face. And when you do that, you can see how the full preview, initially it says no preview, click the full preview button, and you'll see that your top is going to be fully rounded over at that point. And that's the goal, is to create that fully rounded section. So this was a quick hit video and a repair, because if you don't click the other sections to get the faces selected and use the arrow keys to rotate the object, it'll make your life a little bit more difficult to try to get this roundover completed. Have a good day.